Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yemi D here. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Thank you guys for clicking onto this video. But today is going to be, y'all already know, like if y'all see me like this, lashes need to be filled, nails, well my nails don't need to be done, but I'm gonna get them done. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing a pampering, I'm gonna try to make this video a pampering vlog. So yeah, so today I have a wax appointment at 12:45, so like 1ish, but 12:45. So I have a wax appointment at 12:45. It's 11 right now, so I have time. And then I want to change the color of my toes because last vlog that I went away to Atlanta, I got my toes like this pink color, and I don't like the color because you can kind of like see through my toes. So after my wax appointment, I do want to get my toes done again because you can kind of see through the polish, and I don't like that. So I'm gonna go back to my regular French tip. And then I also want to go to Zara. I want to go to Soho Zara because the Zara around my house trash. I used to work at Zara, the one in Soho, and that store is a flagship store, meaning like everything online should be in that store. So I think my best bet is to go to the one in Soho. So I'm gonna go to that one, and today's a Sunday, so I have to hurry up because store closes early, or an hour early.
Staring at your dress cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking all the shit that you done been through. Yeah, say that you a lesbian, girl, me too. Hey, girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, yeah, girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, girls want girls. Hey, well, girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, can I play?
All right, so I'm vlogging on my phone, y'all. Hold on. So I'm headed to Zara. I got a wax. That was the most painfulest wax I ever got in my entire life.
Tryna block me on a fadeaway. I've been on this shit, I only vibe with a payday. Say you go that way, I guess we both go the same way. Girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, where we both from.
So yeah, I'm back home, you guys. I basically did what I had to do, kinda-ish. So yeah, my to-do list was get a wax, check. Get my toes done, check. Go to Zara, and then go to Saks, check. I also do need to go to Best Buy because the tripod of my camera is actually dead. So I gotta figure out what kind of battery the tripod needs, as well as how I can turn it off. Because since I got this camera since December, I couldn't figure out how to turn the tripod off. Tomorrow, all I need to do is get my lashes done, which I removed myself. If you see a little white stuff in my eyes, that's like the lash remover. So yeah, I removed my lashes myself because there's no way I'm paying for me to get my lashes removed. $30-$20 when I'm a lash tech. Like, I got the stuff myself. I can remove them. So I removed my lashes. I had to wash my hair because I have a hair appointment on Tuesday, and tomorrow I'm not washing my hair. Anyways, I want to show you guys what I got, what I ordered, because I ordered a few things from Pretty Little Things, and then I ordered something from Neiman Marcus. So I'm going to show you guys. I ordered for Zara because I was in Zara today. I got this cute mini skirt. It's like a low-rise skirt. I do have to take it in a little bit, but we'll see if I end up doing that. I also got this denim crop top. And I got this black silk dress. Hold on. Looks something like this on top, and then the bottom just looks like this. I hope this makes sense. It's kind of hard to show you. I'll show you a few things I got from Pretty Little Thing. This nude knit cover up. This is gonna be cute to go around, to walk around in the beach with. Then I also got this romper, just this cute little pink romper. And then I got this cute black two-piece set. I think this is a part of the Drea collection that she has in Pretty Little Thing. This is what the top looks like. And then this just goes like around your stomach or whatever. This is the skirt. I'm definitely gonna wear like pasties and like black underwear underneath. So I ordered the silver Tom Ford padlock heels, and it just comes once you open a box. This is what it looks like. It has like I think replaceable heel tabs in these little bags. Comes with a dust bag. These are so freaking pretty. These are what they look like. These silver strap, and then this is the padlock to it. The padlock is hella heavy.
Godfather with a garden full of snakes. Car Porsche trying to give away a rate. Bricks ball trying to turn them into base. Big boy, I'm here trying by the Braves. Courtroom silent like I'm in an opera. When they got it, now these niggas wanna knock us. Bitches follow cause they need a couple dollars. But it ain't no problem cause a nigga really got it. Fat boy, rich nigga with an appetite. Count money all night under the candlelight. Spending my
Miami. Got my nails done. Fire. Fire. My nail tech, she just be killing it. And then I got my lashes done as well. But I didn't vlog that, so these are how my lashes look. So tomorrow, all I need to do is just get my hair done and then pack, and then that's pretty much it. I'm also gonna do my laundry, so I'm gonna also like clean my room, and then set up what I'm packing because I have no idea what I'm packing. But yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow to get my hair done. Don't mind me, I'm just trying on this bathing suit. So while I'm doing my laundry, I am actually preparing some of these clothes I'm gonna pack. So I like to lay my stuff out, like accessories, bag, jewelry. So this is what I have so far. This is not it, so this is just a few things that I'm gonna pack. Let me get into the details. Yeah, these are just some of the stuff that I am going to pack.
no Teddy P or is it Lionel? Not a model, but I know I've been your idol. Big banks bugging we without a lighter. On fire cause I'm just a different writer. Practicing social distance with all these snitch niggas. Guess he jealous cause I had his favorite bitch with us. Big bucks, stepping out of big trucks. Stepping on my feet to get you fucked up. Got the squad with me and all they did was give me love. Foot like a 20 deep, a nigga spin a dub. G-Wagon for my bitch, that girl go live it up. Death row, this for these niggas, I'ma hit them up. Machiavelli is all eyes on me. Pinky rings is still M.O.E.
Heart just turned purple, 360 up front, it all comes full circle. Class photograph, Sandy had me on my Urkel. Patty Mahomes about to fall.
A little echoey in here, but I'm done with the pampering. Hair is freaking laid. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Y'all see that? So yeah, all I have left to do is just pack, so you guys can watch me do that, and then we are fully pampered and prepared for this trip. I am so excited. I don't think I mentioned where I'm going yet, so if I haven't mentioned it yet, I'm gonna actually leave it as a surprise until the trip for the vlog comes. So make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. It's about to be a lit travel vlog, so make sure you guys are subscribed. And yeah, so I'm gonna head and start packing because I have a flight at 9 a.m. so, and it's like 9 p.m. right now, so I'm gonna pack, and then that will be the end of this vlog. So yeah, let's go pack. am ready for this trip. And that is going to be the end of this pampering with me vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.